Headed up to the Verizon store right now. See if I can give moms my old iPhone 7 or 6S or whatever it is. Because she got the old joint, the one with the button still on the top. And not to mention, she done broke the damn screen on it. So hopefully, dude told me all I need to do is take it up here, get the SIM put in my phone, and they'll activate it and all that up here at the Verizon store. They throw me a SIM for free. So you already put that to the test. But you know, it's always some hidden charges and shit. Time you go to one of these fucking stores, they tell you free, you come out $296. So we're gonna go see what they free looking like up here, up on Route 1. They see if they free is actually free. I'll holler at y'all in a minute.